This is the control room. Everything on here is working. It provides all the information they need to control the generating plant. We didn't see anybody in here when we came in, did we? No, nobody's here. There's a plant operator with the help of computers. He's got about 3 computers out there and about 4 different screens, and he can see what's going on in about 10 of our different generating plants. This is just one. And he can see what's going on in all the plants on that computer screen. And it's so automated and controlled that if anything happens in any of the plants, it'll give him a warning light to tell him something's happened. But he doesn't have to do anything right then. It's not like he's got to jump and do something. It's going to go into a procedure that it tells it to do and start either opening or closing switches and changing things or shutting off water and all that. It's going to do that by itself, and it'll tell him what it's doing as it goes along. So it's a fully automated plant. It doesn't take anybody here other than come in and check things, do some little maintenance and monitor things as they go along. But other than that, it's all done by computer. Anyway, this is stuff for when you get into your science classes. You can say, I know that, I've seen that before. Well, when we generate electricity, it all starts with something just as simple as a horseshoe magnet like that. North Pole, South Pole. It's got all these little lines of force that run across here. You can't see them, you can't feel them. But boy, you get a piece of steel near that, and it'll jump right up to the magnet or pull the magnet down either way. And then you come along with a piece of copper wire. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. You can't pick up a piece of copper with a magnet. But you can move that wire through that field. It makes the electrons in here jump from one atom to the next, and they go running along through that wire. Well, that starts electric current to flow, and that's generating electricity. Well, as that developed, hey, more and more and more coils of wire here. This got pretty to make more power. This got pretty heavy to move. So why move all that wire? Let's move the magnets. So then they built this thing, and you saw it out there as a blue blur. It's been painted since I did my chart. But all of these little things along here are electromagnets. North Pole, South Pole, North Pole, South Pole. We use the force of the water to spin this big shaft. And that turns us around like mad. That's the magnet spinning. And the big coils of wire, there's 3 big coils around that. So that's, and we make our electricity in there. And then we got wires that come out and take the power across the river, and we got power. Okay, right here.